Well, this is quite the change. Piano is over here. Did these break or just one? Oh, I see. You had to make a new sill.
What's that?
You had to make a new sill.
Oh yeah, it's rotten.
Really?
Gone. There's rotten over there too. There's nothing in there.
Well, I'm sure glad you're rebuilding this wall. Look at this. Unbelievable. Well, I guess I'm not going to have any more black shingles siding.
Yeah. Yeah, it's gone.
This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. Whose house is this anyway? Well, I live here.
Just like a new house on this side.
I know. And you did this wall, this whole thing for the sunroom all the way around.
Yep.
And you're going to go and do the other side after you're done all this, aren't you?
Yep.
Guess we're just going to have to keep you permanently. Isn't this amazing, Willem?
It's beautiful.
I mean, when you look at this house, it does not look like our house. But if you come out here,
Look, the way it was.
nothing similar about it to the way it used to be. Oh my gosh, she's put them all the way across here. Huh. Well, thank you for keeping the house tidy, Willem. I mean, as much as you can call this tidy.
Oh, yeah. Dealing with a lot of stuff when I was gone. I'll get you to put a little pressure on this here one. Do it a little this way, right? Yeah. There, dear. You probably do it better with your foot, maybe.
So now that window that's standing up on its corner, I think that's a good window, isn't it? I think we are going to use that again.
There's no paint in it. Where's that? Oh, yeah, the paint is right there. Okay, well, I guess there's something. Alright. Here comes the proof of the pudding, or whatever you call it.
You want to catch the tie back in it up at the top?
You're about an inch, half an inch or so beyond the top board there.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's right there. Oh, don't push your in. Oh, okay. Let's go down, quite fine. All right, so we'll go
I think he's going to nail one in, right? First?
Okay, well, you're still in now, or? Yeah, we just push it in? Yeah.
Good thing it's warming up now.
It's very nice day.
Mm-hmm.
There's hardly any bugs.
Boy, Dale, you sure do have an eye for the way things are going to look. You wanted this window right under that window and this door right under that window? Yep. And then we're going to have another window where those two are.
A window.
A window.
Another window.
So when you're going to do that wall, is that happening tomorrow or is that another day?
I don't know. I got to think about it tonight.
Because
Really
tonight you
don't
go
got time
home
to
and
think too much about anything.
until you're at home.
So I get this
Because
done.
if that wall's coming out,
'Cause there's electrical, right?
well, there's electrical, but there's also this wall and this
And the ceiling.
the ceiling is just a wall that I framed with Willem's assistance and laid on top of that other one, and it's just
When you pull that wall out, it's going to come down or something?
yeah, it's all tacked into this wall. It's not sitting on anything.
2x4 stacked into that, yeah.
Is the 2x4s are nailed very many nails into these studs of this wall and this wall.
Put more braces of that wall. So you can't put braces up because the ceiling is going to come out too. You have to first remove the ceiling and put braces up to the ceiling.
No, the upstairs is fine.
Yeah, I know, but you can't, especially when you put braces in.
Dale's gonna think about that tonight while he's pondering his life. Right, Dale?
Yeah, I got a vision tonight.
That's right. It's the after dinner moments. The dream. You'll dream about it, wake up. I know what I'm doing today. I just saw a bird fly into that bird house. Boy, Desmond liked the plateau teepee. Hey, Willem, look at this soil. This soil is black. Look at that. It's not all sand right there. Well, it's black sand.
It's more earth than anything.
It is. It's because it was a woods at one time.
Okay, we'll roll this out.
Roll out the barrel.
La, 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 la.
So I guess you have to turn it upside down.
Does it matter?
No. Not to me.
No. Well, it's only temporary anyway. It's for tonight, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Go. But where do we start rolling from? Keep the tie back on the outside. It might have more sealer or whatever. Okay. So you just gotta put your roll up the other way. I'm starting from this way going up. Okay. Alright, you can see on this here. Yep. And we'll just roll it out as. Oh, I see, okay. See, this is another roll up with your tight stick.
I heard a noise in the night last night downstairs, and I wondered if a raccoon had walked in under the tie vac.
Well, if the raccoon knows what it's doing, you can easily stretch through the tie vac. Anyway, we'll keep the kitchen door closed.
Hey, we're not going to be able to get in. In just a moment, it's all going to be over for getting in.
No, here. Stop standing there. You just pull it over this here like that and step on it. You don't have to. Actually, what I thought I was going to do is plywood these two walls, and then put that one in and put the door in before I even start down there.
Okay. Hi, Mom.
Hi, Nancy.
I love you.
Hi, Nancy, today.
I love you. That's a warbling vireo.